Transform every dinner time into a special occasion by making mouth-watering meals. This pressure cooker by Sage will be sure to get those taste buds tingling. The dual top and bottom sensors monitor all ingredients, offering you an accurate temperature and pressure control. These work together to provide you complete control, making your meals taste delicious. The automatic keep warm function activates after your food is cooked, so it stays nice and warm until you're ready to eat it. This is a brilliant feature for ensuring your dinner is kept warm and ready to eat for when you get home, taking away the bother of reheating. The auto steam release setting allows steam to automatically be released whilst your food is cooking, which means your meals will always be tender and taste delicious. The automatic steam release is hands-free, so you can stay safe and create delicious dinners all at the same time. Perfect for food fanatics who enjoy a precisely cooked meal, this pressure cooker by Sage will make sure all your meals taste amazing.